John M. Holley, William Holley, John Milton Holley, November 10, 1802, March 8, 1848, was a U.S. representative from New York. Born in Salisbury, Connecticut, Holley was graduated from Yale College in 1822. He studied law. He was admitted to the bar and commenced practice in Black Rock, New York, in 1825. He moved to Lyons, New York, in 1826 and continued the practice of law. He was a member of the New York State Assembly Wayne Company in 1838 and 1841. He served as district attorney of Wayne County 1842-1845. He was an unsuccessful candidate for election in 1844. Holley was elected as a Whig to the 30th Congress and served from March 4, 1847, until his death in Jacksonville, Florida, March 8, 1848. He was interred in the rural cemetery, Lyons, New York.